Hey guys, it's Aranza here. I'm back filming another video. It's been a while. But for this video, I'll be filming everyday makeup routine, and this is basically what I always wear, all these makeup products, my go-tos, everyday makeup. When it comes to everyday makeup, I always want to have the look of natural. I don't like the type of makeup that's caked on, that looks unnatural. So I tend to go for light to medium coverage, so that's a heads up. So if you saw in my last video, I did collaborate with Dossier, and they kindly reached out to me and wanted to collaborate again. So they sent me one of their perfumes to try out. So this time it's 𝓠𝓮𝓼𝓷𝓷𝓼 Brown Sugar. Again, if you don't know what Dossier is, it's a vegan, cruelty-free perfume brand that basically gets inspiration from designer perfume brands and make it to a cheaper price. So it's great in all aspects and it smells really good. So we're gonna try 𝓠𝓮𝓼𝓷𝓼 Brown Sugar. I previously tried out 𝓠𝓮𝓼 Honeysuckle and it smells amazing. Really recommend it. 𝓠𝓮𝓼 Brown Sugar, top notes raspberry pear, middle notes jasmine. Inspired by YSL Mon Paris Edu, the perfume. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that smells so good. It has a very elegant scent. You have to try this out. You can use the code 10Aranza to get money off your next purchase. Code down there, and I promise you, you'll not regret it. So for unisex, men or women, you get perfumes for affordable price. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, first I like to comb my brows because it frames the face. And the next thing I like to do is curl my lashes because I look weird if I don't do it. Do my brows, comb them, and curl my lashes. So much better. First things first, I want to moisturize my face just for the foundation or whatever you're gonna put on, for it to have like a smooth surface and for it to look natural. So moisturizer is always a good thing, a primer, very good primer. And this one I'll be using Glossier Priming Moisturizer. Come on, focus. Glossier Priming Moisturizer, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. And this stuff is so smooth. And as always, I'll include every single makeup product that I use in this video in the description below in case you missed any. Next, for Neutrogena Skin Clearing Makeup, oil-free makeup. So I have very oily skin, so I usually tend to go to oil-free products. So Neutrogena, and this is in the color Natural Beige 60. And the thing that I love about this is that it has blemish treatment, so it has salicylic acid. So meanwhile you want to cover up your face and cake it with makeup, like it's bad for your skin because it clogs your pores. And what I like about this is that it treats your acne while it being makeup, and I find that very, very cool. I wish more brands were to do this type of thing where it's makeup but at the same time it treats your acne, so it clears your skin, and not many brands do that, to be honest. I am looking up at the viewfinder because it's just much easier. Don't mind me. And then next is concealers. This is what I rely on the most, to be honest. Some days I really don't want to put on foundation, so I just put on concealer. Milani concealer in medium light 03. And usually I like to cover my big bags. I remember when I used to have big eye bags in high school, I would never sleep. In the troubled areas, just a little bit. So as you could probably see, I have two different sponges. So this one is for the whole face, and then this one is for concealer, and it has two round sides and two flat sides, so it's easier for you to go underneath the eye and the crevices. That's why I like having two different sponges. Just gonna go and blend it in. Okay, once everything is blended, next the next step This is my ride or die product. If I'm deciding to put on makeup, this is what I almost always have on. This bronzer. It's just to add more color and definition to your face. So this is my favorite bronzer of all. It is Tarte. This is the old packaging, so it probably doesn't look like this anymore. Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Love this bronzer so much. And I have so many of these brushes, Wet n Wild brushes. This is my bronzer brush. Like, I already hit pan. You could tell I love this bronzer. I like to go definitely underneath. I want to, you know, define the jaw on the side because I have a very round face. So I want to define it, to blend it, blending. And then on the sides of the forehead. Do you see how like bronzed my face looks now? I love this stuff so much. I like to go, my second favorite makeup product is highlighter. And I like the Wet n Wilds, any of the Wet n Wilds highlighters. Just get your hands on it. It's pretty cheap. Okay, any of the Wet n Wilds highlighters, it's good. It's a good deal and it works. So this is the one in Blossom Glow. I love this stuff so much. Like, don't underestimate drugstore. Saves you a lot of money, works the same, sometimes even better. So take a highlighting brush and go on my small cheekbones. I like to highlight right here, blend it in. So we don't, I always like to do the nose super shiny. Then on the ridge. A lot of people skip this part, but don't skip it. So I like to go underneath the eyebrows. Cupid's bow. And then I usually don't fill in my brows because I already have pretty full natural brows. So usually I just go for brow gel. I really don't have one in particular. I just use the Essence Clear Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, but choose any. It doesn't really matter. Just I have to brush it because they get all over the place if I don't. Brow wigs on my face. Okay. This is a new product that I just got. This is like a small product. This is by Nars, and this is a lip balm. Afterglow Lip Balm Lagoon, I believe. A very shimmery lip balm. Also, if anyone has any suggestions on brown lipsticks or liners, please let me know because I really want some brown lip products because I think it looks really good for my skin tone. It kind of looks like a gloss, to be honest, but it's a lip balm with like a brown shimmery sheer undertone. It looks a lot more pink on camera, but I swear it's more brown in person. And then lastly, I think I'm gonna curl my lashes again. Oh, I forgot to do this actually. So I like to go with the finishing powder, and this is by NYX. Another one of my favorite drugstore brands. Highly recommend if you don't use them. So this is the HD finishing powder in translucent face brush, and just a little bit, just in the T-zone area. So here, usually sweat and the oil on the face just to set the makeup. See, it's all set. Okay, is that a pimple? So it's all set. Why are you not putting any eyeshadow? Is because realistically I don't put any eyeshadow on unless if I really feel like it. I'll do a colorful look or bronzy look, but realistically I don't wear eyeshadow every single day. I go back and forth between mascaras. So right now I'm using L'Oreal Paris. It's like a really thick wand air volume mega mascara. And then lastly, I use some setting spray. I use Badescu facial spray, rosewater. You've probably seen this a million times. That is all for my everyday makeup routine. So let me know what you guys use, or if any of the products that I used you use as well. So I hope you enjoyed this routine. Hope you enjoyed the look. very simple, very natural everyday makeup. So let me know, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.